Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video, Umedica Labs. You can see walk-in for departments, injection, tablet manufacturing, and QA and QC and oral packing. And openings is junior officer to senior officer and operator and apprentice and officer to senior officer and junior officer to senior officer and operators. These walk-in are conducted at 23rd April 2023 and time is 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and venue is Hotel in their residency opposite Gujarat College near BVR, Ahmedabad and Gujarat. Coming to the education and qualification, B Pharma, M Pharma, BSc, MSc, ITI, Diploma candidates can apply in these positions. Eligibility only experienced candidates. Pharmaceutical exposure must. Interested candidates are requested to bring updated resume, passport size photograph, original degree certificate, and salary slip, last CTC proof, original. Those who are not able to attend interview on scheduled date can send their resume and mention email ID. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.